In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Looker Studio, a powerful tool for transforming your data into interactive reports and dashboards. We'll walk through the entire process from logging in to actually linking your Google Sheet, ensuring each step is clear so you can focus on analyzing and visualizing your data. Let's jump right in. To get started, head over to Looker Studio. You can do that by navigating your browser to datastudio.google.com. As you arrive on the page, you'll need to sign in using your Google account. This ensures that you have access to all your Google tools, including your sheets. Once you're on the Looker Studio homepage, you'll notice a clean and intuitive design intended to make your experience as seamless as possible. Here, look for the Create button. By clicking it, you'll see a drop-down. Choose Data Source from this list because that's what will link us to our Google Sheet. Now that you've opened the Data Source options, you'll see a variety of connectors. Looker Studio provides a broad range of connectors for different data types and sources, but today we'll focus on Google Sheets. Find and select the Google Sheets connector from the list. This will direct you to a new view where you can access your Google Sheets. To connect a specific Google Sheet, you have a couple of options. You can either browse through your files or enter the direct URL of the Google Sheet you want to use. Once you've found your desired document, select the specific worksheet or tab within that sheet that contains the data you intend to work with. Before you proceed with the connection, there are a few options to consider. Check whether the option to Use First Row as Headers is ticked. This is crucial if your first row consists of field names or headers, as it allows Looker Studio to appropriately label your data fields. Another setting you might want to adjust is the cell range. If you have a specific range of data you're interested in analyzing, you can specify it here, for example, A1 to Z500, rather than linking the entire sheet. Once you've set these preliminary options, you're ready to hit Connect. This is where the real magic begins. As soon as the connection is established, Looker Studio will present you with your fields, which are the dimensions and metrics derived from your sheet. Take a moment to review and edit these fields. Change data types, rename fields for clarity, or hide any unused fields to streamline your workspace. After everything is polished and reviewed, it's time to create your report. You'll find an option to either create report or Add to Report. Select one of these to begin crafting insightful reports and dashboards with your newly linked data source. This empowers you to dive deeper into data visualization and extraction, offering you valuable insights into your datasets. Enjoy exploring Looker Studio, and happy reporting!